Friends, this is chapter 24 of Mayor of Casterbridge. In this chapter, Lucetta and Elizabeth Jane both are very fond of Donald Farfrae, and they are very anxious to see Saturday market when they might be able to catch a glimpse of Farfrae from their window. Now a new seeding machine called a horse drill is brought to town, and Lucetta, wearing her new dress, and they both went out to see the machine. When they were examining the drill, they meet Michael Hanchard, and Elizabeth Jane immediately introduces him to Lucetta, and Hanchard criticizes the machine's function and departs quickly, and before he leaves, he said to Lucetta, "You refused to see me," and Elizabeth Jane overhears this. Now they both meet Donald Farfrae, and he is examining the new machine, and he was telling the modern piece of farm equipment which was being purchased at his recommendation. He was explaining the two ladies that this machine will revolutionize farming. Now, this is clear to Elizabeth Jane that Donald Farfrae and Lucetta have grown fond of each other. A few days later, desiring to get advice about her own difficult position, Lucetta reveals her past to Elizabeth Jane, but tells her in a story-like manner as if it was happening with another woman. Her main question: what should the other woman do, as now she has grown fond of second man? Elizabeth Jane refuses to answer this because she knows that Lucetta had been referring to herself. In chapter 25th, we come to know that Donald and Hanchard both were visiting Lucetta, and Lucetta insists Elizabeth Jane to be present when Donald Farfrae was there. Elizabeth Jane now observes that Donald's old passion for her has disappeared, and now he is in love with Lucetta. Michael Hanchard now has grown more possessive of Lucetta because she has become inaccessible, and visits her and proposes marriage. Lucetta puts off this decision, and Michael Hanchard realizes that he has been rejected.